Hello mga boss! Welcome sa video natin. Today we are going to talk about how we are going to add a domain, pero this is just information guys. Kailangan natin to ng credit card, debit card. Kailangan natin na magpalabas muna ng pera in order for us na ma-add natin yung domain natin. No, i-change natin to hbcclothing.com or .ph, alright? Let's change it, okay? Again, let's click this one, add domain. Since wala tayo yung domain name, buy tayo ng domain. Again guys, ang domain, ito yung pangalan ng website natin. Enter the domain you want to buy. HBC clothing. Yun. Let's try this one. .com. Boom! Available siya. So, $14 if we are going to multiply this one to 50. No? 50. That is 700 pesos for 1 year. No? 700 pesos po yung babayaran nito na domain every year. Okay? So, since okay na siya, always double check this one, hbcclothing.com. hbcclothing.com. Again, warning guys, dapat i-double check nyo siya kasi hindi na siya pwede ma-change pa, okay? The next one is, usually pag ma-hire ka na as a Shopify freelancer, you will not go to this step anymore. Kasi usually, yung mga client is may sarili na silang domain. Okay? You don't have to worry about this if you want to go freelancing. But if you want to go like create your own website, then you need to watch this. Okay? Click na yung buy. Okay, nakalagay ito, add a payment method, manage how you pay your bills, add a payment method for purchase bills. Okay? Add payment method. Click na yan. Pwede PayPal, pwede credit card. And fortunately, I think pwede naman Gcash ito. Card number, again, i-blur ko lang tong details information dito guys. Okay? First name, wait lang. Philippines, then add credit card. Click natin yung add credit card pag matapos na tayo guys. Then, ito, domain name is hbcclothing.com is available for $14 or 700 pesos per year. HBC Clothing, ito yung email natin. Address, obviously, hindi ko siya pwede ilagay dyan. $14, auto-renew this domain every year. Sige, auto-renew natin, auto-renew. October 27, 2022. Yeah, auto-renew natin. And then, click natin yung buy domain. Boom. Okay, so ito na yun guys. To register your domain, nakalagay ito, may information. You need to verify your email address within the 15 days. Okay, hbcclothingph@gmail.com. Check natin yung email natin guys. Confirm muna natin yung email natin. Okay, confirm. Ito. Say hello. Hindi ba natin pala na-confirm to guys? Dapat pa natin i-confirm. Okay, confirm email. Yan. Welcome to Shopify. Okay. Boom. Okay na yan. Then, billing registration. Yun, na-charge na tayo. You've been charged $14. Yan nakalagay. And sa last email is, you've successfully registered your domain hbcclothing.com for 1 year. It can take 48 hours, no? 48 hours pa siya para ma-activate, guys. So, hindi pa siya pwede natin magalaw. Alright? So, since na-click natin yung verify your email, click natin itong, huwag muna natin galawin yan. And then, if you're going to try to go sa ating website, yun! Hindi na po siya HBC yung may Shopify, no? Nakalagay ito hbcclothing.com. Alright. So, try natin na i-click natin and then add to cart. Add to cart natin. This is simple lang. View cart and then continue shipping. Ako di siya. Hindi pala. Buy it now. Okay, so hindi pa siya available. Kailangan natin mag-pick a plan. Okay? Meron na tayo dito guys. All we need to do right now is we are going back to the home. Boom. And then, sa next video natin, nakaset up na tayo lahat. Facebook and Instagram, nandito na yan siya. You don't have to worry about this kasi mas mamadali lang siya. Okay? Sa next na plan, sa next na video, we are going to select a plan, no? Para maging live na yan. As you can see earlier, kanina, hindi pa tayo nakapag-add to cart because hindi pa tayo nakaselect ng plan. Okay? Though ang ating website is available na, pero we need to select a plan. Hindi tayo pwede gamit ng trial lang kasi nga trial lang siya. Sa next video, we're going to talk about how we are going to select a plan. So, see you sa mga next video, mga boss!